Okay, boys and girls, so we're going to work on our problem of the day, okay? I have it written down here just in case you don't have your work packet, and I'm also going to show you a picture of the action posters that we always go to when we are going to solve our problem, okay? So I'm going to read the problem first. Michelle had 7 bows. Her mom gave her 2 more bows. How many bows does Michelle have in all? Now, if you remember, the first thing we always do is we always fill out our BME, our beginning, our middle, and our end, okay? Okay, so using my marker, I'm going to fill out the beginning. So remember, in the beginning, she had how many bows? She had 7 bows, that's right. Okay, so we're going to write the number 7 in our B. And in the middle, she had how many more were given to her? 2, that's right. Her mom gave her 2 more bows. Okay, so we're going to put our 2 in the middle. Now, we don't know our end yet, do we? No, we don't. We don't know our end yet, okay? So we're going to put a small question mark because we're going to end up putting our answer in that box too. So there's our question mark because we don't know the ending yet. Okay, so really quick, I'm going to go to my computer and I'm going to show you your key action strategies. Joining or separating, okay? So just by listening to the problem, Michelle had 7 bows. Her mom gave her 2 more bows. How many bows does Michelle have in all? Which action do you think we're going to use? Are we going to join or are we going to separate? If you chose join, you are correct. We're going to join, okay? So I'm going to come back to my paper here. And if you have any marbles or you have any cubes or any type of little manipulative, you can use those. I did bring some cubes home, but remember, you can use beans or you can use rocks, anything that you have, okay, boys and girls? All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our number 7, okay? So help me count out my 7 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so there are the 7 for the beginning, okay? Now, how many more did her mom give her? Her mom gave her 2 more, okay? So I'm going to put the 2 right over here. Okay, so now you decided we're going to join because her mom gave her 2 more. So let's put those together. And now let's count them all together, okay? So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Her mom gave her 2 more, so 7 and 2 more is 9. Okay, very good. So you're going to put your 9 in your ending right here. Now don't forget, every time we work on a problem, we also have to make a pictorial model. Okay, so I'm going to move these to the side, just move them up here a little bit. Okay, so just looking at my beginning, middle, end box right here, I know that first she had 7. So I'm going to draw 7 circles. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and her mom gave her how many more? 2 more. Okay, so I'm going to draw the 2 right over here. Okay, 2 over here. Now remember, when we're joining, our poster looks like this, okay? We have one group and another group, and then we're going to join them. All right, so I'm going to do that on my paper. So first I'm going to circle my big group of 7. Okay, then I'm going to circle my small group of 2. Then we're going to join them. And then what is our answer going to be? 9. Very good. So let's just count them just to make sure I did this correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there's our answer. Now the last thing we do, and I hope you remember to do this, is making your number sentence. Okay, so how many do we start with? 7. Okay, so I'm going to put my 7 right here. Okay, now we have to remember, what's the symbol for joining? Our symbol for joining is the plus sign. So I'm going to put the plus sign right here. And how many more did we join? We joined 2 more. Okay, so I'm going to put my 2 right here. And then we're going to put our equal sign, okay? So our equal sign. And then what's our total we counted? 9. Very good. Okay, so there is your number sentence. Very good. So let's just review real quick. Okay. In the beginning, Michelle had 7 bows. In the middle, her mom gave her 2 more bows. At the end, we counted 9 bows altogether because we decided that joining was the correct action to use. And there's our pictorial model and our number sentence. Okay, very good.